In front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. All you need to do is launch messages and select or create a chat. Now use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Pick all of your photos and send them. If you can't find them here, you can also click on folders at the top and look for your photo here. When you find it, click on it to add it and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!